It's a beautiful, beautiful Friday morning. All right, so let's see what we got planned for today. This morning, I'm just gonna go clean the salon real quick. Um, a quick recap. Yesterday, I um I got in touch with the architect. We got our plan review back from the planning and development. So he said there's just like one comment on there that needs to be corrected. It's with the grease trap. I think it's just wording the way how he has the grease trap on there, but it's the way how it was worded. It seemed like they're thinking that there was a grease trap there already, and we're just tying into the existing grease trap. However, that's not the case. We're putting one in, so he just needs to word it to where it says that we're gonna be installing one, right? So he needs to correct that, and then on the health department side, we have a bunch of corrections in terms of like materials we're going to use on certain walls, the um, the water heater info. They want us to play. We're going to use rice cookers, so they want us to put the rice cookers on the table that we're gonna, where it's gonna go. So it's just simple little things like those, like just wording and add some drawings and stuff, some stuff. But equipment table, one of the equipment table, I'd sent it to the architect, but he didn't put the equipment table on the drawing. So for instance, the grill and the four burner range, it has to go on a equipment table. He didn't put the equipment table on the plan. So they're saying that what is it going to go on? So they need to see that on the plan. So it's just to add those things in and add them in the wording. So yeah, we got those back. He's working on those. So hopefully by Monday we could resubmit everything. Monday, Tuesday. Yeah. So yesterday was, just me talking to him, figuring those things out. I still didn't talk to the plumber yesterday. I'm gonna have to call him today, definitely. So let me make a list of that. So call. Okay. So I gotta call that. Still gotta call you. Yeah. All right. Okay. I already checked the plan reviews. So yeah, guys. So yesterday, I did all of that. Did the edited all the videos. All the videos are out now. No, I filmed yesterday's video, so I gotta do that today and post that one. But other than that, today should be a smooth day. I gotta pick up my daughter from soccer practice, soccer camp. So now I'm just gonna head out. It's real early right now. It's about 7 after 7. So I'm gonna head out, get the salon clean, program some codes for the daily rental, and then I'm gonna come back, make a few calls, and then head for my daughter midday. So yeah, not much. Did some baking yesterday. Has nothing to do with any kind of restaurant or anything. I just felt like making some bread pudding. Not no bread pudding. Banana bread. I had some extra bananas, so I crushed them up and made some banana bread or slash banana cake in this case, because I didn't have the bread pan. Yeah, so let me make my hot water and head out and go clean the salon. Let's see what's going on outside. What's going on outside? Yeah, guys. So the bird feeder is doing well. They like it. Look, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a lot of birds always going in there. We had some rain last night, which is good. I like the rain. It watered the lawn for me. Didn't have to. I didn't have to water last night, so that's good. Yeah, hear a lot of birds over there. Not all of them know that the bird feeder is there, but yeah. Yeah, guys, so here's my little mango seed I planted. Nothing's shooting out of it yet, but we'll see. It looked like it rained pretty hard last night too. Yeah. Alright guys, let me check on in. I don't know, it's overcast. It might not be sunny today. Although it looks like it's peeking out somewhere, it might not be sunny today, but we'll see. We need the rain. It's feeling kinda muggy outside, like it's gonna be hot even although it's overcast. But we'll see how the day goes. Regardless, it's a beautiful day. It's, you know, even if it's gloomy, it's a beautiful day. It's a Friday, so those who work 9 to 5, they're gonna be off tomorrow, off Sunday. So, you know, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Alright guys, I'm gonna clean up a little bit, and then once I clean up, I'm gonna head to the salon. Alright, stay tuned guys. Alright guys, so we're on our way to the salon finally. I was there checking on, you know, YouTube, and get carried away and started watching a video. Another YouTuber, you know, Vinci Vibe Plus. I was watching Colors the other day, and then they were down there in St. Vincent, so he was the one who was taking Colors around. So pretty much I started following him, so I'm watching his stuff now. So yeah, that's the influence that, you know, other YouTubers have on others, you know. Then they link up with others, you end up start watching the one they link up with. So yeah guys, we here. I'm heading to the salon, clean up the salon, then I'm gonna go back home, and then by that time I should be heading down to get my daughter at 12. The day run fast guys. As soon as you turn around, that's it, the day is done. However, when I go down, I'm gonna go down and pick up the van with the tiles in there, because we're gonna bring the tiles back up here later on tonight. I'll probably unload some of it tomorrow, unload the rest, and I'm gonna clean the van from front to back. I'm gonna give it a detail inside out. It's now raining though, so hopefully clear up by tomorrow. But I'm gonna swap this pickup truck out and get the van, unload all those things, yeah, clean it up for the weekend. Hopefully it's gonna be going out on the road next week. Yeah, so that's the plan for the weekend. As I said, the plans are being revised, so not much I could do there. I just have to wait on the architect to correct a few things on there. Yeah, so we heading to the salon guys. Yeah. Yeah, so this is just life every day guys. If you're watching this, you know, just hit that subscribe. It don't cost you anything. It don't, you know, there's nothing. All you do is just hit that subscribe. Whether you watch YouTube or you don't watch YouTube, just hit a subscribe if you come across this video, and share it, comment if you like, you know what I'm saying. Normally I don't ask for all of that, but you know, I've been looking at it and I realize people are watching but they ain't hitting that subscribe button. So if you come across it, it doesn't, you know, the only thing the subscribe will do is probably I'll just pop up whenever I post a video. I'll pop up in your feed. As I said, if you find me interesting or find my channel interesting, then you could watch. If you don't want to watch it, just don't watch it. But just hit that subscribe, you know, and share it to somebody. You might not like it, but somebody else might like it, you know. Somebody you share it to might find it interesting. They might like hear me talking. So yeah, just subscribe. I'm grateful for now I'm at 111 subscribers, I believe, up until now. So 111 or 112, something like that. But I'm grateful. I remember just the other day, like 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, I was at 100. So, you know, I'm past the 100 now, 111. Thanks for the subscribers who already hit that button, you know. And thanks for the ones who are about to hit the button. Thanks to those who are about to hit the button as well. But yeah, guys, I appreciate it. You know, this journey, I know the YouTube journey is going to be a long journey. No one did it in 2 months or 3 months. It's more like years before you see them with 100,000 or, you know. So I'm going to stick at it. I ain't going nowhere. I'm going to keep at it, keep going, keep pushing, you know, keep making content, keep doing like daily stuff. As I said, these are things I do daily. It's not like I'm going out of my way to make these content. I'm just vlogging stuff I do every day. I drive to the salon every day, so I'm gonna vlog that. But this is what this channel is about, just in case you guys don't know or just come across it and wonder what the hell is going on. You know, yeah, what I do is just film my daily, you know, what I do daily. What I do daily might be boring too. It might be the same thing over and over, but hey, this is what I do, you know. At some point I'll do something else, you know. But right now, you know, it's just a salon, when the salon, the suites. But I am building out a restaurant, so when the work starts on that, then you'll see more content with me building and working and, you know, getting that. Right now we're in permitting stages, so ain't nothing really going on. I'm just buying equipment, you know, figuring out stuff, but ain't nothing going on really when it comes to the build out. Nothing going on yet. Hopefully in a few weeks, maybe in another week or two, we will be able to get some word on the permit itself. Once we get that permit, then we could start breaking ground, right? So that's what we're working on, permits. Yeah, guys, so as far as the equipment, I got not most, but what I could get used. I got most of what I could get used. The refrigerators, I'm trying to do those new. I really don't want to do them used, so that's why I have been looking at the refrigerators used, because just the fact that I don't want to buy used ones. There is what do you call it? There's a sink that I'm looking at on Facebook. It's used, but they haven't replied to me. You know, we're trying to negotiate a price. They haven't replied to me yet. So if I get that sink, that would complete the used portion of it. I only need that 3-tier sink. I have everything else in terms of the sinks. Mop sink, single tier sink. I have all those already. So hand wash sink, I have all those already. So right now it's just the refrigerators and the convection oven, that double stack oven. I want to get that double stack oven new, but if I find a good used one, that you know, that's decent, that looks, you know, good enough, I'll go with a used one. But if not, I'll get that one new as well. These things are expensive, guys, so I'm trying to, you know, save money by getting them used. However, you don't want to be stupid and buy a used one, and then a couple months in it breaks on you, and then you have to spend more money to buy a new one or get it fixed. Or, you know, if you buy a used one and then you spend the money to get it fixed, you could have just bought a new one in the first place. You know what I'm saying? Because they charge a lot to come out and get them fixed. So sometimes you don't want to be penny wise and pound foolish. If it's 500-600 more, just go get the new one, you know, even if it's a off brand. I'm quite sure it's gonna last you longer than if you buy a used one and it breaks within a month or two or maybe a year. So yeah, I'm here. I'm heading to the salon. It's overcast today, guys. It's nice. It's bleaky. It's still a nice day. As I said, no matter how it rains or bleaky, or it's still a beautiful day. The birds came out this morning. They eating. The squirrels up. Everybody's up. You know, it's just a beautiful day. You know, life is going on. You know, so yeah, it's just, it is what it is. Some days it's gloomy, some days it's bright. You know, some days it's cool, some days it's, you know, it's hot. So, you know, that's how life is, you know. Yesterday I made that banana bread thing, or cake, whatever you want to call it. It was good, guys. It was nice. I liked it. Unfortunately, I don't eat those sweet stuff like that too much. I'll take a slice or taste it, you know, but I don't really eat it every day, or, you know, every now and then I'll take a bite. But yeah, it came out real good. I made 2 of them. I had some extra bananas, so I made 2 of them. So it's good. It came out real good. Yeah, so we on it. We are a roll. I haven't gone over to the Peppers project in a while. Since the other day when I met with the plumbers, I haven't gone back over there. When I went for the table, I haven't gone back over there. So now I'm gonna, you know, later on today I'm gonna take the tiles over there, and then I'm gonna I have a stainless steel table that I had gotten with the tiles, so I'm gonna take that stainless steel table over there, so that way we could read our plans on it, instead of the folding table. So I'm just gonna leave that table over there, clean it up and leave it over there. The tiles, I'm gonna stack them away in a little storage room that we have towards the back. We're not ready. The tiles is gonna be almost the last thing we're putting in, but I don't have nowhere to store them, and because they're so heavy, it's like 3 pallets of tiles. It don't make no sense I stack them somewhere else and then have to load them in the van and then move them over here. So I'm just gonna take them straight from the van and put them on site in that storage area. I'm just gonna stack them in there from now, you know. So I have the ceiling tiles in there as well. So those ceiling tiles, I'm gonna put them for sale, because we don't, you know, I'm not gonna need them. I won't need them. So I'm gonna buy new tiles to put in there. The washable ones, wipeable ones. Those are the ones that's going in there. So I'm gonna sell the ones that we took down, the ceiling tiles that we took down. That's another thing too. I'm gonna have to purchase those washable ones. So I'm gonna work it out and see how much I'm gonna need and buy those. Yeah, guys, so yeah, alright, I'm almost pulling up on the salon now. Tavern in the front, and we got the salon suite in the middle, and then we have Firehouse up along there. So yeah, alright, good. So let me go around, park over here. Alright, it's a Friday. It's about 9 o'clock now, right? But the no one, it's not filled yet. Most of these places, they're not open till 11. Just Brunch opens at 8, but you know, I guess no one is there yet. They brunch at around, people brunch at, you know, 11, 12 o'clock on Fridays. They don't really come in that early. So I'm gonna park up real quick and then head inside, do a quick clean, because ain't no much here. I noticed the barbers are here already, so I'm just gonna head in real quick and do a quick clean and knock it out real quick, and then head back over to the house. Alright guys, I don't know if it's dirty in here. I haven't been here since yesterday morning. So yeah, we're gonna see what's going on. It's not too bad. This mat needs cleaning. Sorry, I'm gonna get to it guys. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Okay, so we clean chairs, mirrors, make sure this works right here. Alright, that's good. Pipe works. Make sure there's nothing in here. Let's see, we got candy wrapper up there. Alright guys, so I put a mat right there. This is gonna be one of our daily rental rooms. So for tomorrow, so we got 2 daily rentals tomorrow. This is one of them. So I'm just, making sure everything nice and clean, and then clean the base of that thing right here. Notice it's kind of dirty, and the mat is dirty. I took it from the other room over there, so I'm gonna clean it out real quick. Vacuum in here, make sure there's no hair or anything like that. Make sure it's nice and clean, ready to go. I already programmed the new codes in the door. This is what I was talking about the other day, where I have to program the doors manually. The front door I could do from a phone or a laptop, but this is not remote. It's just manual, so I have to reprogram, take that off and reprogram it. So every time someone leaves, I have to come here and reprogram these doors with the new code. We change them after every use. The front door, I pretty much just generate a new code online from my phone. So everything looks good. We got washboard operational. I cleaned the cabinets already. Got some dust up here. See guys, we gotta clean this dust right here. So I'm gonna go through it and clean the whole room. Vacuum the floors, any hair that's in here. We're gonna vacuum it up. It's pretty clean already, but I'm still just gonna go over it. So stay tuned. I'm gonna get that done and get back with you. Alright guys, so I'm gonna clean this piece off right here. Alright, so we're gonna clean this cabinet off as well. Try to make it as nice and clean as possible for the, it don't matter if it's a daily rental, if it's a permanent tenant, we try to make sure it's nice and clean. Yeah? We want our tenants and our tenants' customers to be as happy as possible, yeah? As I said, that first impression is always good. Some of these tenants are daily rentals, they're repeat customers. So they rent from us all the time. But then you have new ones that's coming in that, you know, whether it's a new one or a repeat customer of ours, we make sure everything is nice and clean, sterilized and stuff. Yeah. So this solution you see me clean, I put a little bit of alcohol in it. You know, cleans the glass very well. It is Windex, but put some alcohol in it, sanitize. So when you spray or anywhere, it you know, kind of works as a cleaner and a sanitizer at the same time. I use it to clean the front kiosk a lot because of the fingerprints. You know, it's like glass like this, so I keep touching it, so all those fingerprints and germs and all of that, you know. So I put a little bit of alcohol in it just to kill whatever germs that may be on that screen. Yeah, so this room is pretty much done. Just gotta give it a little vacuum. Once I give it a little vacuum, then it's good to go. I'm testing out this wide angle lens that we have for this Pocket 3. If you notice, it gives us a wider angle. Let's see without it. I'm gonna take it off while it's recording. Let's see. It didn't do anything. It looks the same to me. Alright, let's see. So the top of the door right there, bottom right there. We're seeing all the way over there to where I'm at. So let's see. It does add a little bit a widen. It's a little bit wider over here compared to it being off. So let's see. Yeah, it does make it a little bit wider, guys. Maybe on the screen it's gonna show better, but it does give me a wider angle. See, it goes all the way back to here. and then all the way back. So it's almost all the way back to the wall. Yeah, it works. Alright, so let me give it a little vacuum. Alright guys, that's it. Pretty much done. Look. So we vacuumed the floors. We did clean the chairs, clean the glass, clean the cabinet, make sure this thing is working for them to let their customers in. So anybody that rents this room, this daily rental room, if someone comes to buy the door, they could put the room number in, and then once they put the room number in, they could dial that room number and it rings in here, right? So it's pretty cool in terms of how it works, you know. They don't have to be walking all the way up to the front of the building to let their customers in, you know. So what I'm gonna change the on the kiosk. I'm gonna change it to daily rental room, you know, so that way whoever's coming to that front kiosk, they could just look it up real quick, room 112 daily rental, you know, and call. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna have them tell their clients to look for room 112 or 106. But yeah, I'm done here. I'm gonna head back to the house now, pack these stuff, put these things back in the janitor room, and head back out. Before I go, I got a lot of mail that came in the mailbox. So what happened is most of our tenants, all their mail come here to one mailbox over there in the front, and then I would have to sort through them to, you know, see who's here, see what's good, what's not good. A lot of them is junk mail anyway. If they don't see Uline sent 1, 2, 3, 6 books, 6 Uline books here. None of these tenants, they in the suites for them. They pretty much, it's garbage. It's just junk mail. Uline wastes a lot of money on those books. Look how many books, same books, right? Just over and over and over. Uline, ain't nobody buying stuff from them. Only bigger companies buy from that. So we got here Innovations. That place don't exist in here. It's probably from before we got here. So, you know, Chinita Cuts, that's us. So I'm gonna put all the junk down there and then keep all the good ones. Dream Salon, that's not us. Chinita Cuts, that's us. The Nail Vice, she just left. She just moved out yesterday actually. So I don't know if I should send it back, or maybe I could just contact her and have her come and pick up the mail. That's not us. Curly Sue, Fidel, not there. Lifestyle, that's us. Majestic, that's us. Breeze Bar, not here. Bread Fetish, not here. Marie Nailed It, she's here. Nguyen, I don't know that. Yeah, so pretty much I'm just going through, guys. I'm gonna go through them real quick and then get back with you guys. So we got this much mail to throw out. The ones on the bottom we're gonna throw out, the ones on the top we're gonna keep. So Wagwan, mommy.
Wagwan.
Where I say I got some meal for you. I was just coming in. Verizon.
I don't know why they don't send it to my house. I gotta
Most of these things are probably junk.
Yeah.
See right here. You want some credit cards? Throw them out?
Yeah.
Yeah, the rest is junk. The rest is junk. Man, everything in here we could throw. Oh, here you go. I guess it's probably a business rice now.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Everything alright?
Yes.
Alright. Alright, guys. So we got all our meal delivered. We got one for Lifestyle. Most of it is junk, but I delivered anyway. It's not my place to throw them out. The tenants that we have here, they're all business owners, so they have a registered business with the city, with the county, but they just have their own space. So they have their own business license and everything. So you find that a lot of mail tend to come to their business places. So we only have one box out there, one mailbox, and that's where all their mail comes. So our mail and their mail comes to that one big box, and then from there I would have to distribute it to the different businesses inside the suite. So that's how that works. So that's why I end up get stuck with everybody's mail. If you got 15 spaces, you got 15 different businesses, you got 15 different mail coming to sort. So in other words, I'm running a little post office over here too as well. But yeah, most of it I said is junk. Like the books and stuff like that, no one wants it. Whenever I take it there, they always tell me just throw it out. So the junk stuff, those cards and stuff, people be selling, you know, phone stuff and all of that, those cards they be sending out, flyers, those I just get rid of. No one wants them. Anything in an envelope, like an envelope, I'll deliver it. As I said, I just saw one of the tenants there, and while I'm giving them to her, she's giving me them back to throw them out. So normally I let them make that decision. Even if it's junk, I let them. I mean, I'll throw away some of them. The junk I throw away is for people who already moved out. The ones that are here, I'll give them their junk and have them throw it out. I don't throw their junk out. But the ones you see me throwing out, they're not in here anymore. So the books, all the books, the Uline books and stuff, they're addressed to us and past tenants. I haven't seen any for the new tenants. So anyhow, it's an overcast day. It looks like it's gonna rain. I'm done with the salon. It's now 10:30. So I'm just gonna head back to the house real quick, and then I'm gonna leave from there maybe around 11:30, get my daughter and go down and pick up the other van. But for as far as here, it's nice and clean. Bathroom clean, hallway clean. The 2 suites are ready to go. for tomorrow's rental, 2 daily rentals for tomorrow. We did have another nail tech room that pretty much moved out. She I don't know if it was her end of our lease or whatever. She moved out. So I have another room that's available once again. It's so now we have 1 daily rental room, 2 daily rental rooms, and we also have 2 rooms to be rented, like long term. So we do a 1-year lease on them, so I have 2 available rooms now. Both rooms are equipped for nail tech. So any nail tech out there who's watching this or would like a suite, check out Lifestyle Salon Suites. We're in Duluth, Georgia. Go check them out. It's easy. We're on Instagram, Lifestyle Suites ATL. On Instagram and Lifestyle Salon Suites at .com online. So there's numbers all over there, there's address all over there, there's pictures on Instagram, there's pictures online. So you could check it out, give the booking agent a call and schedule your tour and get a space, do business. It's just like that. If you're any kind of individual professional who provides services like barbering, eyelash, hair braid, lock tech, makeup, whatever professional service you provide, you could do it in a suite. The advantages of doing a suite, renting a suite, a salon suite to do your services, for instance, like a barber, when working in a barber shop, they rent a booth, right? So when they rent that booth, they're in a barber shop with several different guys or girls, ladies. Now your all your equipment is just in the open, exposed to customers, exposed to other workers, all of that, right? So I'm talking about disadvantages and advantages. Most of the barbers are complaining that other barbers use their stuff when they're not there. They borrow things all the time. Things get misplaced a lot of times. So that's the barbers complain, right? So when you have your suite, you have your own door where you could lock your own door, come there when you feel like, close when you feel like, open when you feel like. This space is a 24-hour operation. So you could operate 1 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the morning, we don't care. It's a 24-hour. Lifestyle Salon Suites is open 24 hours, right? It's just a matter if you that runs that suite want to work 24 hours, right? But we have access to the building 24 hours. So if you feel like you want to get up in the morning, 1 o'clock in the morning, and go cut your customer's ear, you're free to do so, right? You just go in, you turn your own lights on. Our hallway lights are always off at nights, but there's sconce lights that stay lit for the hallways, so it's not completely dark, right? Bathroom work, everything work as though it's supposed to, as in the daytime, right? The AC does go out, turn down at night, but it's still cool enough for you to work inside the building. It runs throughout the day from 8 in the day to 9 at night, and then it cuts off, right? So the advantages of renting a suite is that you have your own door, you have your own space, and you could open 24 hours a day if you choose to. Or if you feel like working evening times, you work evening times. If you want to work morning time, you work morning time. It's up to you, right? If you want to work just weekends on Sundays, it's open. When you work in a barber shop or a hair salon, that business owner closes that business by a certain time. 7, 8 o'clock. Some of them close by 5, right? So it depends. It depends on how you want to run your business. You know, you're free to open whenever you want. That's the advantage. That's the main advantage. You don't have to schedule your clientele by 6 o'clock because where you're working close at 6. So you got to be out there by 6, right? That's the advantage. And then the other main advantage is your things is not exposed to everyone when you're not there, right? You close your door. Every door in here has a key code, so you could close it. We have keyless entry for the front door. We give you a key fob, so the suite owners have key fobs for the front door. They could, you know, just touch their keypads and the door open. Or if you go through the rear door, there's a coded lock back there. You could enter through the rear if you don't feel like parking in the front, right? So that's the advantage. The main advantage is of owning a salon suite as opposed to working in a salon or a barbershop, right? As far as the barbers, the prices are almost the same. It's a little bit more to, you know, have your door, but if you're in a shared space, you want to partner up, it works out cheaper or the same, and you guys would have your own door if you're barbers, right? We have a couple shared spaces in there where, you know, the hairdressers, they team up together and get a space, and it works out cheaper than if they were in a salon. And they have access to being closed, where they could close their door and have their own keyboards, right? Everything is taken care of. We have a washer and dryer on site. It's free to use to our tenants. There's no charge. Most places they charge for that service. There's no charge. Our bathroom is clean once or twice a day. The hallways are clean. Anything in the hallway we take care of. Anything inside your space you take care of. So you know, it's maintained every day. You know, if you notice, I go there most mornings and take care of all the maintenance and cleaning. If there's a bulb out, you call us, we go and change it. If you need to hang a frame, a picture frame, or paint a wall, or whatever you want to do, we take care of that, no charge, right? We do give you your furniture. Let's say you come in and you're a barber and you don't have any furniture or glass or whatever, we'll put those in for you to get you up and running, right? So it's a turnkey operation. All you gotta do is come with your equipment, your curling iron, your barber shear, come with your personal equipment, and then we'll take care of the furnishing for you. That's how this works. So it's a big advantage in renting a suite as opposed to working in a barbershop or a salon suite where you share a space in a whole, you know, entire space. These rooms are enclosed ceilings. You have your own chandelier, the only thing you can't control is your AC, your own AC. But the AC is central. But I have it set at a medium where, you know, everybody right now is comfortable with that temperature. We also could adjust it remotely. So let's say you're a tenant and you have a customer, and for some reason that customer is just super hot that day, or he's sweating, or, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes this do happen. You have people who overheat, their body temperature is more. I let the tenants know, hey, if you have a customer like that and it's super uncomfortable and they're sweating like a pig or something, just shoot me a text. I could adjust that air for you on the fly. I could control everything from my phone. So, you know, there are times the barber, especially in the front where they have the glass right there, it gets super hot in the summertime when the sun comes in. So what I'll do, there's times in the past they reach out to me and say, you know, the guy in the front, he just texts me and say, hey Mike, can you adjust the temperature real quick? I have a customer who's super hot. So I just adjust it temporarily, put it for like 30 minutes, and then it goes back to the regular temperature once, you know. So it does happen. There's times where we have a makeup artist. Her room doesn't have any kind of heat. They don't use heat blow dryers or anything like that. They don't have any refrigerators in their room, so nothing is inside the room is creating heat, right? So they normally get cold and their clients get cold. So there's times when she would reach out and say, hey, super cold, can you turn it down a little bit? So I'll just turn it down momentarily for maybe an hour or so, and it goes back to the regular temperature. So I could control all that from my phone pretty much, you know. So those are the services that we offer in terms of a salon suite. There's always someone on call. I'm always on call when it comes to maintenance. So any issue you have, as I said, if the door is not closing, if something spills, if there's a light bulb out, something is not working, a breaker trip, just shoot me a text. The tenant, they have my direct number. They could just text me directly, and I'll just jump over and take care of the problem. So that's the difference between us and a bigger establishment. It might take a day or two or a couple of hours before they get up. I'm always close by. I'll drop everything that I'm doing and head over there to solve that problem. So that's the service I'm providing. So that's why I can't be too far away from it. I have to be close at all times, just in case an emergency or something happens. With me building this restaurant and stuff, the restaurant is just a block up the road. So if I'm there or working there or doing anything by the restaurant, I'm just right down the street. You know what I'm saying? So it's gonna be close to handle both businesses if necessary. I could be in both places in just the snap of a finger. So it's all good. Now we have, as I was talking about rooms that's available, we have 2 nail tech rooms. These rooms are made for nail techs. It has the extraction fan that sucks that monomer smell that they use. Nail techs use a thing called monomer when doing nails. It has a high scent. It smells like, I don't know, it smells like thinner or paint thinner or whatever, right? So because it has a high smell, we installed extraction fans that put that smell outside of the building, right? So what I'll do, I missed my train of thought here. What happens is when they come in and turn the lights on, once they turn the lights on, the extraction fan starts sucking that smell out of that room, right? So we have 2 dedicated nail tech rooms. Most places don't rent a nail tech because of that reason. Nail techs, the smell of the chemicals that they use is real strong and it bothers the other tenants. So most salon suites don't take nail techs. However, we have 2 rooms available that can accommodate nail techs. As a matter of fact, I just thought of something, but yeah, I just thought of something. So yeah, those 2 rooms are perfect for nail techs. It sucks all that air out and put it on the outside, so you don't get that smell. So anyone out there interested, guys, just check out lifestylesalonsuites.com or Lifestyle Suites ATL on Instagram. You'll see it and see the numbers and everything. Alright guys, I'm back home. I'm about to go inside and get ready to go get my daughter. I have to leave by at least 11:30. So yeah. Alright guys, I'm back at the salon. We have a tripped breaker. Got a call from one of the tenants saying that the breaker is tripped. So I'm here to trip that breaker. Let's see if we could find it. One right there. So I was looking in this right here. I just feel against here to see if any of them is tripped, but none of those is tripped. It's right here. This one, see it? This one right here. So let's strip it. Let's see. It's good to go. Alright, so they're good to go. What happened is sometimes the blow dryer, I got the barber and a hairdresser back to back. So the other side, the other room, they'll be using blow dryers and dryers for your hair and the blow dryer and the curling iron. If she has all of them plugged in at the same time in one outlet, it's gonna trip the breaker. So I believe that's what happened. So it should be okay now. The breakers don't really get hot or anything. It's just the overload from them. These are new breakers too. It's just the overload from them using too much things in one outlet. So it should be fine. Anyway, I'm gonna check with them real quick just to make sure everything works and then go from there. Alright guys, so here at the salon, so the fire extinguisher, I guess the anchors that they used to anchor it to the wall, it wasn't, you know, it's those plastic ones, so it just, the weight of it end up pulling that anchor out. So I'm gonna have to repair this, put a new anchor in there, and attach it back to the wall. The reason why it fell out because it was just a plain plastic anchor. When it has so much weight on it like those, it needs those metal anchors, the one that with the butterfly, that when you put it in the wall, it opens up like an anchor like this, and so it won't pull through, you know. So I'm just gonna have to go get one of those and then reattach that. I'll do that in the morning. But bathroom is clean, everything is clean inside the salon. A little bit of hair and stuff on the mat, but I vacuumed that, took care of that. So now I'm in the van with the tiles. That's the van I got. So I'm gonna head over to because I'm close by the restaurant, so I'm just gonna swing over there now and unload as much tile as I can. I'll do some today and then maybe some tomorrow. Let me see if where did I put those gloves? Guys, where did I put the gloves? I hope I have them in here somewhere, because I'm gonna need those gloves. Damn guys, guess what? I don't even have the bucket. I took the bucket out. Damn man, I'm gonna have to go back home. I took the bucket that I had right here. So in order to unload these tiles, instead of, I have to carry them, take them inside the building, right? So what happened is I had two buckets right here. When I got home, I took them out. So now I'm gonna need those buckets to unload, because then I would have to walk with the tile all the way from the van to the back of the room. But if I have that bucket, I'll put the tiles in the room, take them back there, unload them, you know, come back, make trips. I'm gonna have to make a lot of trips. So let me go back home. Damn, I wish I could have craps. I wish I did that. Let's see how am I gonna do this. It don't make no sense me go buying a bucket. I already have a couple of buckets over there. Unless I'm gonna just pack them on the no, they're gonna slip through. Let me see. If I pack them on here, I could just Maybe I'll just pack them on here, guys. Yeah, maybe I'll just pack them on the cart and take them on the cart. As far as the gloves, I don't know. The gloves might be in the garage, but I think I have another set over here. Yeah. All right. I'm not gonna waste the gas to go back home. I'm just gonna go straight over to the restaurant. All right. Let's go. And I just didn't look in here, yo. I don't know what I was thinking. I didn't look to see if I had everything. I rushed out. What happened is I got a call saying that the breakers were stripped at the salon. So with them saying that, I just ran out the house and head straight over here to the salon. However, the salon, I was planning on going to the gas station, right? So the salon is close to the gas station. So why would I, you know what I'm saying? I wouldn't have come here and then go back home and then go back to the gas station. I'm right here. I'm right like two buildings up, you know? Two stoplights up the road. So that's what caused that. I didn't have any time to check to see if I had everything that I needed. You know? Yeah. Alright guys, so let me head on over to the gas station or over to Pepper's Island Grill. Get over there, I'll check back in. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start unloading now. See if we could get as much unloaded as possible, and then do some maybe today and some tomorrow. Let me get all these things off. Alright, so I'm gonna hook up the tripod real quick. So I'm going to take all these right here, load them on these, and then take them into, we have a little storage area in the back right here. See, I've stored all the ceiling tiles in here, so I'm just gonna probably stack them right here, because there's nothing, we ain't gonna do nothing in this area as of yet. That's the last area we're gonna work on pretty much. So, see, I got the table. That guy gave me that table. That's it right there. So I'm gonna, adjust it up, clean it off, and then we could put our plans right there. All right, let me get started with these tiles. Set you up right there. This was the hard part, guys. To be bending over and stacking all these tiles. That was the hard part of this whole trip. The other day when I went to pick them up, just to get them stacked and pack them in the van, it's just a lot of work. I was in pain. It ain't a pain after that one. That was a good workout, yo. Back was in pain. My legs was in pain. My arms was in pain. Every part of me was in pain. I don't want to put too much, because then I won't be able to carry it inside. See, I can't go too heavy. I'm gonna stop right here though. Guys, this is so heavy I could hardly push it, but let's get it done. I'm gonna stack them in this room right here. All right guys, let me get to it. I'm gonna knock out some of this. I think I need some fresh air in here. Yeah. All right. Let me go see what's going on. They started tiling inside. They tiled out the whole here already. They're moving pretty fast. Yeah. Yeah, they're moving pretty fast over there, guys. They already tiled the whole entire floors over there already. See, that's gonna be a smoke shop. So they ain't gotta worry about no crazy wait time back and forth. Their plans is just a layout. There's nothing, they ain't building no walls or anything like that. So because they ain't building no walls, there's no, they don't have to worry about they don't have to worry about what do you call it, permits and all of that. Their permit probably they get it within a week, you know. Yeah, their permit is pretty straightforward. They don't need MEP plans and all of that, because everything that's there already, they're just gonna keep it. So it's not like for us, we're gonna dig floors and do all sorts of stuff. No, they're pretty simple build for them. They could get done within maybe a week, to be honest. All right, I'm gonna get cracking on this. Let me put this camera down. I'll probably put it over here, and then we could do some time lapse on when I'm bringing the stuff in. Yeah. Let me set you up right there. Yeah, that's probably a good angle. All right, guys. So let's go for the another set. Guys, so I'm done taking out all the tiles. It's crazy. Took me like 2-3 hours to unload it. It's a lot of tiles, guys. Let's see, I'm here from, so see, it's empty. I'm here from I would say around 6:37. It's now after 9, so about 2.5 hours it took me to unload. I got all the tiles. There's no lights in here, guys. I turned the breaker off, but I pretty much put them in this room right here. Let's see how well this camera works in the dark. Then, holy shit, I locked the door lock. And this door has a key. Then door just locked from inside. Let me see if the other door, the key work. That key for the front door, let's see if it's the same key. I doubt it though. Yeah, here guys, got the keys right here. I doubt that they make them. I tried it in the back door didn't work, so I'm assuming there's another set of keys that works for these locks. Yeah, see, it's not working. Alright, so tomorrow I'll get with Nick and see if they have a key for those doors. Yeah guys, so I'm done here pretty much. I got there's the hood right there. That hood is the wrong hood. They're shipping out the right hood. This one is the 10 foot. They're shipping out a 12 foot. Tomorrow I'll come and try turn the power on, try open that door. I think they got the keys, some more keys in the gas station, so I'm gonna check to see if they have those. The power company turned the meter on, turned the power on outside. So all I gotta do is just turn the main breaker on out there and then the breaker on for in here on. Right now it's right now it's off. There's nothing in the panel. So I'm gonna turn it on tomorrow and see
But apart from that, everything is good. I mean, finished loading everything. Tired as hell. I'm gonna go home and take a hot shower and soak. There's nothing else I could do here. I'm gonna start bringing over some of the other things too. They still gotta come in here and dig the floors and stuff, but I'm thinking I could pack everything towards the back, because they can't hold in my garage. So I'm gonna start packing everything, putting maybe up in this corner where they ain't gonna cut, you know, and just keep them here, cover them up for now. But some of these things is just too huge. I can't store them, and I want to buy them from now. So like the tables and all those things I'm gonna bring over here. The sink that needs to go in here, all the equipment that needs to go in here, I'm gonna bring it in one corner. So what happened is, while they're working on this side right here, I could have everything packed out over in this corner, and then when we build the walls and everything, we just put everything over. When we're doing the tiles, I just tile one section, finish that, move the equipment over to that side, and then tile the other side, then move them back. So that's what I'm planning on doing once they're finished cutting, doing all of that. Anyway, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm hot, I'm tired, sticky, sweaty. You know, that's a lot of work to get this done. Alright guys, I think I might end this one out here. I ain't got nothing else to do at home, so I'm just gonna go home and shower and chill out for the night, get up early in the morning and clean this van. I'm gonna wash it out and blow it out and, you know, clean it from front to back, because this van is going out next week. So I'm gonna clean it properly from front to back, scour down, clean detail from front to back, inside out. Hope it don't rain tomorrow. It's raining now, seriously. But yeah, all right, so I'm gonna close this one out, guys. I'll talk to you guys early in the morning, 6 a.m.